If you want to add breadcrumbs in WordPress Elementor, this tutorial will walk you through the exact steps from enabling the widget to styling it properly in your page or header template. Breadcrumbs are a great way to improve site navigation, help visitors understand where they are on your website, and make your pages look more professional. They can also support better SEO by showing a clear content hierarchy. If this video helps you out, please hit like and subscribe for more WordPress and Elementor tutorials. Let's get into it. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. On the left sidebar, look for Essential Addons and click on it. This is where you control the widgets that come with the plugin. Once the Essential Addons panel opens, go to the Elements tab. In the search bar, type Breadcrumbs. When you find the Breadcrumbs element, make sure the toggle is switched on. If it is off, turn it on right away so the widget becomes available inside Elementor. After that, click Save Settings to apply the change. Now that the widget is enabled, open the page where you want breadcrumbs to appear, or open your theme builder header template if you want them site-wide. Click the plus icon inside a container to add a new section. Usually breadcrumbs work best near the top of the page content, so place the new container there. On the left Elementor Widgets panel, search for EA Breadcrumbs. Once it appears, drag and drop it into your container. That's the main widget you'll use to display the breadcrumb trail. Next, click on the widget and open the Content tab. Under General Settings, you'll see the main options for how the breadcrumbs are structured. The hierarchy setting controls the order of the breadcrumb links, so you can display something like Home, then Category, then the post title. This makes it easy for users to move backward through your site structure. Then look for the Separator option. Click the icon library and choose the symbol you want between each breadcrumb link. A slash, arrow, or chevron are all common choices, and you can pick whichever matches your design best. You will also see show and hide settings in this section. These let you control what appears inside the breadcrumb trail. For example, you can show the home icon, show the current page title, or display specific taxonomies like categories and tags. Take a moment to adjust these settings based on your website layout, because a clean breadcrumb trail should be helpful without feeling cluttered. Once the content is set, move over to the Style tab. This is where you make the breadcrumbs match your site design. In the general style settings, you can adjust the alignment, choose left, center, or right depending on the layout of your page. You can also set the background color of the breadcrumb bar if you want it to stand out visually. Then go to typography to change the font size and the text color for the breadcrumb links. A slightly smaller font usually works best, so the breadcrumbs stay subtle and easy to scan. After that, focus on the link and hover colors. Set a clear color for the clickable breadcrumb links so they stand out from the current page text, which is usually not clickable. This small detail makes the trail easier to read and improves the user experience. If you want, you can also fine-tune spacing, padding, and border styling depending on your theme, so the breadcrumbs blend smoothly with the rest of the page. When everything looks good, go to the top right corner and click Update to save your changes. That's it. Your breadcrumbs are now added in WordPress Elementor. And here's one final tip. If you're using an SEO plugin like Yoast SEO or Rank Math, the EA Breadcrumbs widget can often pull the breadcrumb path directly from those settings. That means your website hierarchy stays consistent and Google can better understand your page structure. This is especially useful if you want both a clean design and strong SEO foundations. If you found this helpful, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next WordPress tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.